so many are wondering whether AI will replace leaders. But that's not the real question, is it? The real question is, what makes someone a leader in the first place? And is this something that AI can actually touch? The answer is no. And in this video, I will explain exactly why. My name's Aliki. I work with high achievers who need clarity and steadiness when decisions matter. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why AI will never replace true leaders. What makes someone a leader in the first place isn't their knowledge, it isn't even their experience. It's who they actually are, the way that they think, the way that they put things in action, and the way they inspire their team to take action, the way they inspire others to move forward towards one specific goal, what needs to be achieved. And this cannot be done by AI. AI cannot be a role model. AI cannot take responsibility for consequences. When things go wrong, what does a great leader do? They assess the situation, they see what needs to be changed, they make the adjustments and move forward. They put them into action. From the very first point of this, where they take responsibility, AI will never be able to do this. It is not something that can take responsibility, that can assume responsibility. What happens when AI makes a mistake? It says, oops, I made a mistake, I was wrong. And it can own its mistake, it can apologize for its mistake, but it cannot be responsible for the mistake. It cannot carry some sort of blame, it cannot face consequences, it cannot fix the situation, find what adjustments and actions need to be taken, and let alone take them. It cannot be held accountable in any way. You could say, yes, we could change that AI and make it not exist. Okay, is that true consequences for it? No. And it's not that being a great leader is because you face consequences, but carrying responsibility is not something just where can we blame, where can we look to, but where can we see what inspires us? Where can we see what gives us that drive to achieve things, the will to move forward and make something come true? Where is it that we can feel as a team, if we are part of the team, that we feel that, hey, this person knows what they're doing. They know where we're moving towards. They know how to achieve it and the best ways to move forward. And we feel the support. We feel not just that we ourselves as a team, now I'm putting myself in the position of a team, but as a leader, you inspire others. And you inspire leaders, you inspire teams, you inspire not just to achieve things, but as who you are in all you do. Does AI have more information? Definitely. It has all the information. It has all the knowledge. It can have read all the reports, all the books, know what everyone has put forward into the world. But can it know how to inspire? Can it know what others are thinking? Can it pick up on situations? Does it have any hint of intuition? Intuition matters. Knowing the best way forward matters. How many times have you known that this was the best way to achieve something and you followed that gut feeling and you were right? Time and time again. And how many times have you ignored your gut feeling to find that you should have listened to it, you should have followed it? How many times have you walked into a boardroom and picked up on the situation, picked on little cues, known what was happening, and had to adjust according to the room, according to the situation? Those adjustments matter. Those are things that AI can never pick up on and can never make. As a tool, AI can help you achieve amazing things. It can help you achieve greater success. It can challenge your ideas, challenge your decisions, and make you a much better leader. It can make things happen faster. It can give you all the information you need to make the decision. But the decision should be yours. The actual inspiration should be yours. I see time and time again, all over the internet, things that AI created, just pasted, copy-pasted as it is. No human input. And you can recognize it instantly. It's everywhere. Not just in what I see many people talking about, not just what I see in people writing, but I hear people even speaking like AI. It's like they are just rehearsing a role, a position that has been given to them. But the position can only be taken by AI if you yourself step aside as a leader. If you say, AI knows better, I'm just going to copy paste, I'm going to follow its better judgment, its greater knowledge, and step aside. AI cannot push a leader aside. Only you can do that. And you do it subconsciously. You would never consciously choose to say, I give AI my role as a leader, my power, my sense of direction. You would never consciously do this. Yet you are doing it in practice time and time again. Each time you just, without thinking, mindlessly put things forward, mindlessly put things forward as your own, and not have your inner knowing, your knowledge, your wisdom, your power coming forward in what it is you're putting out. You are quieting who you are. You are quieting your leadership. You are quieting your role. And you yourself are handing it over to the tool. Remember that AI is a tool. It is a powerful tool that can help you. It can achieve many things. It can truly be at your side, but it cannot become the leader. You can make it the leader, but it will never be a true leader, let alone a great leader. You did not step into this role just by chance. It was not just handed to you. You grew into it. You achieved things. You learned so much, not just in knowledge, not just as a database, not just through your experience, but through who you are, who you have become, who you are this very moment, and all you are moving into. Don't forget this. AI will not replace you. AI will not take your role. AI has not earned that role. Yes, you can hand it over, but it cannot truly step into it. It cannot have the responsibility, it cannot face consequences, it cannot be a role model, and it is not you. Remember this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.